After the power gate dual rectifier is installed, the MOSFET-based dual diodes effectively starve the alternator of the voltage it needs to turn on and start producing power. To resolve this, Perfect Switch uses an alternator excitation circuit which is triggered by the starter motor. When engine cranking is complete, the alternator excitation circuit turns on. We momentarily turn off power blocking between the main battery and the upstream alternator. With battery voltage present, the alternator's regulator instantly excites, causing power generation. Power flows from the alternator through the dual rectifier to the downstream batteries. Once the dual rectifier senses alternator voltage rising, the excitation circuit turns off and the default power blocking firmware takes over. With the engine off, each battery can be independently discharged. Discharge of the auxiliary battery does not affect the main battery. Main battery discharge does not affect the auxiliary battery. When loads are applied to the auxiliary battery, the dual rectifier will not allow current from the main battery to feed auxiliary battery loads. Current wants to flow from main to auxiliary, but the MOSFET-based ideal diode will not allow current to pass. When loads are applied to the main battery, the dual rectifier will not allow current from the auxiliary battery to feed main battery loads. Again, the MOSFET-based ideal diode will not allow current to pass. If the main battery is discharged and causes a no-start condition, the battery combine feature can be used to transfer energy from the auxiliary battery to the main battery for self-jumping.